Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about living and non-living things. Our objectives for this lesson. In the end of the lesson, you will be able to define the meaning of living thing and non-living thing. You will be able to identify its properties, and you will be able to sort out the things into living and non-living things. Before we start the lesson, would you like to sing a song? Great! Do you know the song, Are You Sleeping? Yes? That's good. Now, let's sing this living or non-living song with the tune of Are You Sleeping? Are you ready? Let's start. It is living, I know why. It breathes and grows and changes, it's alive. It's non-living, I know why. It stays the same forever, it can't change. As you can see in this song lyrics, living is on the left side and non-living is on the other side. It says that it is living if it's alive and it is non-living if it can change. Now, let's define the meaning of living thing. Living thing refers to things that are alive, like animals, plants, and human. Living things have properties. Number 1. Living things grow. Look at the picture. A seedling grows into plant. Anything grows is living thing. Number 2. Living things move. A zebra can walk and run. A bird can fly and move from one place to another. Dolphins can swim. Therefore, all the animals are living things. Number 3. Living things have young. This means they can reproduce. All living things give birth to little one, like a mother gives birth to babies. A dog gives birth to puppies. Living things need food and water to survive. Human, plants, birds, and animals are all living things because they need food and water to survive. Now, let's define non-living things. It says in the song that it can't change. Non-living things can't change. Non-living thing refers to things that are not alive. Non-living things have properties too. Number 1. Non-living things cannot grow. A chair is made up of plastic and it will never grow and change its size. It cannot grow because it's not alive. Non-living things do not have young. A ball will never give birth to another ball because it's made up of plastic or rubber. Number 3. Non-living things cannot move on their own. A fan will never move unless a person will plug in or move it from one place to another. And lastly, number 4, Non-living things do not need food and water to survive. Look at the shirt. Does this shirt needs food and water to live? No, right? Therefore, it's non-living thing. So these are characteristics of non-living things. Here are the questions that we can ask to identify whether the thing is living or non-living thing. Does it grow? Does it move? Does it have young? Does it need food and water to survive? If your answer is yes in all these questions, that means it is living thing. And if your answer is no, that is non-living thing. Let's do some exercises. Instruction. Categorize the items into living or non-living things. Wall clock. Is it living or non-living thing? Let's go back to those questions to find out whether the wall clock is living or non-living thing. Does it grow? No. Does it move? No. Does it have young? No. Does it need food and water to survive? No. Therefore, the answer is non-living thing. That's great. Let's do another question. Caterpillar. Is it living thing or non-living thing? Let's ask those questions again. Does it grow? Yes. Does it move? Yes. Does it have young? Yes. Does it need food and water to survive? Yes. Therefore, caterpillar is a living thing. Great job. Caterpillar is a living thing. Let's go to the next slide. It's your time to explore. Number 1. Answer activity number 1 from Science Smart Workbook 1. The title is Alive or Not, page 49 to 50. After finishing that workbook, go to number 2. You have to draw 5 living things and 5 non-living things to an A4 sheet of paper and color. Good luck and enjoy learning.